Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about renowned Spanish hotel company Riu, and their boss was arrested in the United States a few days ago, so I wanted to talk about it on my channel. And it says renowned Spanish hotel company Riu on Tuesday issued a statement declaring the innocence of Riu Guell, the hotel's chain main owner and chairman, who was on Monday arrested and put before the courts in the United States. Our executives are absolutely innocent of the charges against them. We are confident that the US judicial system will conclude that the accusations are unfounded, and our executive anxiously await the opportunity to prove their innocence. A portion of the statements read: Riu Guell heads the company that runs more than 100 hotels across 19 countries, including Mexico, the Dominican Republic, the USA, and Jamaica, where a string of resorts have been established over time. But on Monday, Riu was being temporarily housed in the Miami-Dade jail, and that's in Florida. This was after he surrendered to face allegation that he provided free luxury resort stays to the Miami Beach top building official in exchange for help with the company's large-scale renovations of its South Beach hotel. Riu, who flew in from Spain, appeared in the Miami-Dade courtroom on Monday, where he was handcuffed and processed. He was, however, allowed to post a $20,000 bond, which freed him up to travel from his home in Malacca, Spain, to the company's resorts around the world, the Miami Herald reported. Riu traveled from Spain to voluntarily present himself on Monday in the Miami-Dade courtroom as an agreement and coordinated with the local authorities. It is usual procedure for the reading of the charges to be made with the defendant standing. As it's a part of this procedure, all of what has been seen in published image released on Tuesday. The release further stated that the entire procedure was a matter of a few hours, and the judge did not deny him permission to travel. Both executives will be able to continue their normal activities, including visiting the different international destinations of Riu hotels starting today. Riu resumes his normal duties. The development with Riu came amid a week that involved charges being laid against Miami Beach former building official Mariano Fernandez, along with Riu and the company's regional vice president, Adriano Sanchez del Arco, while Riu Hotel and Resources Florida subsidiary was also charged. The charge for unlawful compensation and conspiracy to commit unlawful The charge is for unlawful compensation and conspiracy to commit unlawful compensation. Sanchez also surrendered on Monday. So I'm here saying that if the US actually have evidence against him, I'm sure he will be serving some time in jail, because in the US they don't play with certain charges, and they don't lock people up if they don't have sufficient evidence. So when they go for somebody that's high powered like him, I think they have enough evidence to actually put him away. And when I read this story, the first thing that popped into my mind was, if he was actually giving out luxurious stays to building contractors in the US, what is he, or what was the company doing when they build all the Riu hotels in Jamaica? Because if you give somebody compensation like a free luxury stay at a hotel to help with something else like building a hotel, that is wrong. That is against the law. So if they're doing that in the US, imagine what they're doing in Jamaica. Because Jamaica, most of the people that work there or in government don't have a lot of credibility and are not trustworthy. So imagine all the undercover deals, under the table deals that they did with Mr. Rio in Jamaica, because we have 3 Rio hotels in Jamaica, not 1, not 2, but 3. So if they did that in the US, imagine what they did or is doing in Jamaica right now to sustain those 3 hotels that they have in Jamaica. That's just food for thought for you guys. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think he's actually going to go to jail, or do you think they're gonna slap him with a big fine? And tell me what you guys think about him actually conspiring for unlawful compensation, and tell me what you guys think he did in Jamaica to actually build those 3 hotels. Because if this is coming up in the media, I can only imagine what he got away with in Jamaica, because our government is very lackadaisical. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuces.